Salam, hello, welcome back to the Hijabi. This is ViVi, and in today's vlog, I'm going to give you a totally different video. I'm actually having a birthday today for my son. He's turning 7, and I'm going to walk you through all the decorations and setup. I hope that you enjoy it, and I will also, whatever I can link, I will also put it in the description box for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that you enjoy it. Oh my God, it's so much work, but I think it's turning out okay. So the party's about to start. The guests are going to arrive in a couple of minutes. Let's go. So my son chose a dinosaur theme party. A bouncy house or a water slide is always a good idea to keep kids entertained and active. I got a 78-foot long obstacle course, and it was a total hit with the kids. I rented kids tables with Hijabi chairs and Green Hunter tablecloths to go with the dinosaur theme. Also chairs around the kids' tables for adults, so parents could attend to their kids easily. We set up a table for cake, presents, and pictures decorated with inflatable dinosaurs. I got all the balloons filled with helium and delivered by my local party city, which saved me a lot of hassle and time. In the back, I made this balloon arch. I purchased the arch from Amazon, then I got a balloon kit in the colors that I wanted, voila. The arch has been used in so many different occasions. It is a great thing to have if you like to decorate during festivities or celebrations. At the end, I was so pleased with the tables. Each table had a bouquet of balloons and 1 or 2 dinosaur eggs on top of some leaves. I really loved how the centerpieces turned out, and each child got a explorer hat. In the main table, I had the goodie bags that they were sold as a package. They already had some dino toys inside, and I just added candy and some more toys. For snacks, we had the dino claws and dino bones. We put these dinosaur sticker footprints to indicate the way to the restroom. Believe me, it was very helpful. So kids had pizza, and we also catered barbecue that had different salads and mac and cheese. That way, the kids were happy with some options for them, and also adults got to enjoy something that is very popular here in the city that we live. The cake was green. It was super easy. I actually got it done while they were breaking the piñata. In every celebration, it's almost like so fun to get candy, and it's so entertaining. It's a little bit dangerous, but I really like to have piñatas during the birthday parties. I think that the party was a success. I think that everyone had fun and enjoyed the food. That is the most important in a party, at least for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, salam and subscribe.